Question number 18, page number 87. Sant and Mahant are partners of a firm sharing profit and loss in proportion of 3:2. From the trial balance of 31.3 and adjustments, prepare final accounts. Now, drawings and capital will go to capital account. Plant and machines, 33,300. We also have addition. Against that, opposite side, can you see sale of plant and machine on 1,416? Book value is 6,900. So plant and machine को टिक करो 33,300. उसमें से 6,900 we have to deduct first, and then we have to add. So there are two adjustments, and then there will be depreciations. So three adjustments. Furniture and fittings, asset. Addition also asset, which will be added to plant and machine. Debtors, asset. Advertisement, profit and loss, cash balance, profit and asset. Cash and bank balance, asset. Purchase, trading. Productive wages, trading. Electricity expense, factory, trading. Rent, taxes, office, profit and loss. Rent, taxes, factory, trading. Technical expense, profit and loss. Opening stock, trading. Factory expense, trading. Office salary, discount allowed. P&L, carriage inward, trading. Bad debts, profit and loss. Office expense, profit and loss. Creditors, liability, sale of plant and machinery. Now 6,900 will be deducted from plant and machinery, and the difference 6,900 minus 4,800 कितना है? 2,100 will be transferred to profit and loss. Understood this? Okay, we'll do this once we do the sum. Sales, trading, 5% loan from Gyani from 110.16. So we have to check, do we have interest anywhere on the right hand or the left hand side? No. So we have to provide interest, tick karo, hidden adjustment and commission. Stock, depreciation on plant and machinery, tick. Furniture fitting, tick. Bad debt reserve, tick. Debtors and bad debts. Outstanding, productive wages, tick. Advertisement expense, tick. Office salary, tick. Technical expense, tick. That's it. Capital 1,4. By balance brought forward 80,000, 40,000. Creditors 48,000. Drawings 1,4. 2 drawings 7,000. 3,000. Plant and machines. Now important adjustments. Plant and machine. Amount is 33,300 minus sale plus addition. We have addition on 1,716, that is 24,000. And then we have depreciation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Furniture and fittings, inner column 2560. Debtors, inner column. Now debtors, we have only one adjustment, that is bad debt reserve. So minus bad debt reserve as per adjustment. Advertisement expense, inner column. First 2 lines blank. 13248. Cash and bank balance 8496. Purchases. We do have the opening stock. So first we write the opening stock 33696 to purchase. Directly outer column, we don't have purchase returns 181168. Productive wages, inner column, to productive wages 45272. Electricity expense, factory, to electricity expense 4296. Rent, taxes, office 872. To rent, taxes 872. Rent, taxes, factory 9384. Technical expense, inner column 400 trading account. Opening stock done, factory expense 1780. Office salary 8780. Carriage inward 1700. Carriage inward done. Bad debts, inner column 836. Plus bad debt reserve as per adjustment. Office expense. हो गया डेबिट साइड सबका? Okay. Credit side पे. Now very important adjustment, sale of plant and machinery. Now we sold a plant and machinery जिसका book value था 6,900. So 6,900 का machinery goes out. What's the difference? What's the difference? 26400. Sale of plant and machinery, book value 6,900, इसमें से माइनस करो. अब ये कितने में बेचा हमने? We sold at 4,800. So profit हुआ या लॉस? लॉस हुआ पक्का. So लॉस को ट्रांसफर करेंगे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. तो लॉस on sale of machine 2,100. Sales, buy sales 2,68,000. 5% loan from Yamini. Inner column. ये जो लोन है 110 को लिया, सो आउटस्टैंडिंग इंटरेस्ट 10,000 into 5% into how many months? 6 by 12. So 2.5. So 250. 10250. Second effect. To interest on loan. 250. I'll mark this 2100 important. Then commission 800 by commission. Okay, now check कर लो सबका बराबर इफेक्ट दिया कि नहीं. And let's go to the adjustments. Closing stock 85,500 by closing stock. Second effect. %15 depreciation on plant and machinery. Please calculate करो for 26,400 pay for the full year and 24,000 pay for 9 months. Calculate करो please. Depreciation. पहले मशीन पे 26,400 पे 15% पूरा साल का कितना आ रहा है? 3960 and 1716 यानी 9 months जुलाई से लेके मार्च. What's the amount? 2700. So what's the depreciation? 6660. So this will be 26,400. 50400 minus 6660. What's the amount? 43740. Depreciation on machine will go to trading account. 2. Depreciation on machine because factory 6660. 7.5% on furniture and fitting. How much? 192. So outer column 2368. Second effect. To depreciation on furniture. 192. Bad debt resume 2000 on debtors. Minus 2000. 62940. Second effect. 2000. 2836. 6% interest is payable on capital of partners. So let's provide 6% interest. Interest balance के नीचे interest 31,3 by interest on capital 6%, so 4,800 and 2,400. Transfer करो P&L app. First two lines blank. To interest on capital. Sum 4,800 and Mahant 2,400. 7,200. Outstanding. Can you do it on your own? Yeah, please do it. Productive wages 784 plus outstanding 784. $46056.
Yes.
Second effect. Outstanding wages 784. Advertisement expense 312 plus outstanding 5 6 0 312. Office salary 400. Nine one eight zero. Technical expense 320. That's it. Start closing it. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2. 32978. Yes. So 2 profit and loss appropriation account by P&L account. 32978. Two partners. Capital account. Sun and Mahan. 25778. इसको 3:2 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो. सन का 1564647 1011 ट्रांसफर करो. by P&L app. Balance carry forward. What's the balance? 9326 and OE 497111. Transfer it. Total 2044. Any doubts, anyone?